Question number 65. If the roots of the equation b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b equals 0 are equal, then prove that 2b equals a plus c. Then you write question number 65. What is the given quadratic equation? B minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b equals 0. This is a given quadratic equation, and given that b square minus 4ac equals 0, and we have to prove that 2b equals a plus c. Now you write the value of a, b and c. A is the coefficient of x square, that is b minus c. A equals b minus c, and b is the coefficient of x, that is c minus a. And c is a constant, that is a minus b. C equals a minus b. Now you write as roots are equal, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, and in the place of b square write c minus a whole square, and write minus, and 4, and write a is b minus c, and c is a minus b, equals 0. Then write the expansion of c minus a whole square. Use the identity a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A is c here, c square minus 2ca plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. In the place of a, c is there, in the place of b, a is there. And write minus 4 as it is, and write the product of these two. b into a is ba or ab, you write. b into b is b square, that is minus b square, and minus c into a is minus ca or ac, minus ac, and minus c into minus b is plus bc, equals 0. Then write c square minus 2ac plus a square. Then you multiply each. Minus 4 into ab, 4a, minus 4ab, minus 4 into minus b square plus 4b square, minus 4 into minus ac plus 4ac, and minus 4 into plus bc minus 4bc, minus 4bc, equals 0. Then here 4b square is there, c square is there, a square is there. You can write a square first, then plus 4b square second, and this c square third. You got a square plus b square plus c square form. Together with that you can have plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Then you write here a is there, b is there. You take minus 4ab. Then bc means you take minus 4bc plus here minus 2ac is there, here 4ac is there. In that case it becomes 4ac minus 2ac is plus 2ac, equals 0. Here we got a square plus 4b square, c square in order. Next minus 4ab minus 4bc plus 2ac. Here minus 4ab taken here. Then minus 4bc taken here. And 4ac minus 2ac is taken here. Now you got the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here 2ab is 2 into minus 4ab is there. Here you can observe a square is a square only, but b square is 4b square, that is 2b whole square plus c square. But here negative is there, minus 4ab. It becomes plus 2 into a into minus 2b. Here also minus 4bc is there. Then you can take plus 2 into minus 2b into c, like this way. So write it in the standard form. Write a square as it is, a square only, plus 4b square. Here together with b there is negative, then you must write it as minus 2b whole square, then plus c square. That is the concept that you have learnt in 9th standard. This concept is learnt in 9th standard. Then write minus as plus 2 into minus 2b into, or 2 into a into minus ab. 2 into a into minus 2b. This product becomes minus 4ab. Then plus 2 into minus 2b into c. This product becomes this one. Plus 2 into c into a, or 2ac you can write. That is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here you can write in order 2ca. In the place of a only. In the place of b, minus 2b. In the place of c, c only. So you got the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, which is equals to 0. So this is the expansion of what? A minus 2b plus c whole square. A minus 2b plus c whole square equals 0. This whole is the expansion of a minus 2b plus c whole square expansion, which is the concept learnt in 9th standard. This is the identity learnt in 9th standard. We have to use that concept here. Otherwise you can't get the result. Then here you remove square. That becomes a minus 2b plus c equals 0. Then you transfer this minus 2b to the RHS. It becomes a plus c remains in LHS. This becomes 0 plus 2c, 0 plus 2b. Minus 2b is transferred. Then a plus c equals 2b. Then 2b is equals to a plus c, which is the result you got here.